In this video, I will show you how to refer a friend on Uber. So to do this, what you want to do is just open up the Uber app, and from there go to your account in the bottom right. And then from there, if it's available for you, there will be a section that says invite friends to Uber. Go and click on that. And from there, you can see right here, you can save 50 euros for each referral. So you get 10 euros off on your next 5 Uber trips, and your friend gets 10 euros off their first 5 Uber trips as well. So you can see the code at the bottom, which you can now copy, then just share it with whoever you want to invite. Or if you click invite friends, you can also just get a link and an automated message that you can share with them. And then if they sign up using your code or link, you will get the reward that it says, and they will also get the reward that it says. So now you know how to refer a friend on Uber. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.